Kaylin. Oh, we'll try.
Oh, thank you.
There you go. So you guys having a good time? Kaylin. Kaylin. Hi. Oh, nice. Oh, what a beautiful day. Best memories. What's up, girls? I'm the king of the world. Kissy, Kaylin. What's up, babe? Let me see. Oh yeah, there's the buildings. What a beautiful day, guys. What a beautiful day. Check that out. There's the cove over there, all the way over there. What's up, babe? I don't want to sell it in. It's just beautiful. Oh my God. Just having had such a great time over here. Caitlin, Jacqueline.
Daddy, look! I don't have any hands.
Hey, so you gonna golf?
Yes.
Yeah, Monday you're golfing.
2 months. Sorry. I meant 2 months with my 2 hands. Daddy, can I go on here?
Hey guys, we're gonna wrap up the jib sail. If you guys want to all just squeeze against that railing, you guys will all be fine right there.
Yes.
Same with you guys. If you guys want to stay against that railing, that'd be great, guys.
Over here.
Why?
Okay.
Why, Dad? What are we gonna do, Dad?
What did I do?
Don't worry, with my hand.
Say hi, Caitlin.
Hi. Hi, you two. Hi, you two.
You guys?
Yeah.
Mama. Mommy. I don't have any hands.
No, Kanan, no.